This video will walk you through the process of signing up for the POSE method of running training course online via ArmyIgnitED. This process consists of 3 steps: requesting a quote, setting a goal, and requesting credentialing assistance. To sign up for this course, you will need a computer and your government ID. First step is requesting a quote. To do this, go to militaryrunning.com, scroll down, and select Request Quote. Please note, you can also request a quote at Romanov Academy of SportsScience.com or POSETech.com. You have the option of requesting a quote for the training or the certification exam, so be sure to select the right option. If you need both, then select the appropriate checkboxes in the follow-up questionnaire. Click the button that says Request a Quote, and on the next page, you'll fill out a questionnaire, and once done, a quote will be sent to the email that you provide. Here's an example of what the quote looks like. Once you have the quote, the next step is to log in to ArmyIgnitED and set your goal. Go to ArmyIgnitED and click Get Started. Scroll down and click on Credentialing Assistance, read the security notice, then click OK, and then click the Login button on the right. Make sure that your government ID card is plugged into your computer. Now that you're logged in, click on the Education Programs tab on the left and click Credentialing Assistance. Then click the button that says Non-MOS Related. The next page is where you'll search for our credential. On the search bar at the top, type in Running so that the Certified Running Technique Specialist credential pops up. Then click the button that says View. After that, click Create Education Goal, then click Next. On this page, you'll upload the quote or quotes that you received for the training and/or the certification exam. Simply click the Choose File button for each quote document to upload. Then scroll to the bottom and click Submit Goal. On the next prompt, click the Yes button. Once submitted, you'll need to wait 24 to 48 hours for your goal to be approved. Once approved, you'll be ready to complete the 3rd step, which is requesting credentialing assistance. Start by reading through the Virtual Benefits Training. This can be found under the left tab that says Education Programs. Read through everything on this page and then click the button that says Sign and Complete Training. Then select I agree. Now it's time to request credentialing assistance for both the training and the exam. Each process has to be done separately. Under the Education Goals tab, click the button that says Apply for Funding. On the next page, verify your contact info and then click Verify and Proceed. The next page is the user agreement. Read through it and check all the boxes. Then scroll down to the bottom and select the button that says I agree, continue. First up, answer whether you are applying from a deployed location and click Next. After that, you need to select the vendor. For the training, the vendor is POSETech, no spaces. Then select POSETech Main Campus and click Next. On the next page, select a start date. This date must be at least 45 business days from today's date, as this is roughly how long the approval process takes. Then select an end date anywhere from 7 days to a month after the start date. Then click Next. And on the next page, click the button that says Add Training. Next, there will be a pop-up window. Read the prompt and then click Proceed with Credentialing Assistance Request. After that, you should see the POSE Method Running Skill Training course listed. On the right side, click the Select button and then click the Add Training button. Finally, review the details of this request and click Submit. This completes the credentialing assistance request for the POSE Method Running Skill online training course. Simply click the Finish button to proceed. To request credentialing assistance for the exam, you will go through the same process as before. Click Apply for Funding, verify your contact, and confirm the user agreement. Then on this page, the vendor you will select is Romanov Academy, and the campus is Romanov Academy Main Campus. Then continue to follow the same steps of setting the start and end dates. On the next page, click the button that says Add Exam, then select Select Exam. After that, select DL from the drop-down menu, and then click Add Exam. Finish it up by reviewing the request, clicking Submit, and then clicking Finished. Once done, under the Funding Request tab, you should see both requests pending approval. Once approved, you will receive a notification from the ArmyIgnitED team that the credential has been approved and you can begin the course. And that's it. If you would like to learn more about this training or the sign-up process, please visit militaryrunning.com.